the Lord is bringing a lot of things that were dead in the past season back to life, okay? Today is Resurrection Sunday, okay? We don't celebrate Easter over here. We celebrate what the Lord did on the cross for us, okay? And so at the end of the day, this is a day that the Lord has made, and you shall rejoice in it, okay? And so with that being said, the Lord is definitely building things up. He's resurrecting them. Things that were dead in the past seasons, things that he closed the door on, things, relationships that looked like they were never going to repair and mend itself. This is the season that he's going to do that, okay? Count it all joy, okay? And please pray about it. Pray. If he's leading you to fast, do that, okay? Y'all be blessed.